Welcome to Diezelsoft. In this introductory video we're going to show you how to enter an incident with injury. The very first thing to do is to visit the Diezelsoft website. Once you've actually arrived there, enter your username and password. Once those have been entered, you will be taken straight across to the dashboard. Within the dashboard, select Events, New Incident with Injury, and when the page loads, complete the basic information: the date of the incident, the hour, the minute. These are all important parts of the actual detail that will be collated. The next thing to do is to complete the business unit. These business units are preset and predefined by the super user and can be altered to any unit that you actually operate out of. Once you've done that, you can actually choose a department or location within that building. Next, describe the incident. In as much detail as you need. Once you've completed that, simply scroll down and enter the accident details. Enter the patient's employer. This is important because in a later stage you'll be entering whether that employer works for you or for a contractor or a subcontractor. Enter their phone number, the patient type, the accident severity, and the injury type. Next, enter the details of what exactly went on. Once that's been done, enter the details of any treatment that was given and the people actually administering it. After this has been done, you can further dig deeper into the investigation. This can be as descriptive as possible to give as much information to the outside parties and to your own health and safety departments. You can also attach photographs and images or documents that are required to back up the case. Once this has been done, set about setting target dates to make sure that this never happens again and who is going to be assigned to do it. An actual date can be set. The date can be put to the future to ensure that the people make sure that things get done. Once this has been done, assign the project to a manager. As with all cases in Diezelsoft, people who are informed and kept notified by email every time they are assigned a principal job, and people are told when that job has been completed. Further actions can be added. Each action can then be assigned to a different user. Every time a user is notified or assigned, they will be kept up to speed should anybody make any alterations to the file. Additional details can then be added. If there is an agency involved, like the Health and Safety Executive, this can be put into here. These titles can be altered by your super user to fit within whatever targets are set and whatever agencies you work with. Once this has been completed, the information is passed back into the repository by simply clicking on and checking the save box. If there is an error that's been reported, this will show up and will not allow you to pass until the error has been completed. Once the error has been completed, the file can simply be updated. However, if there are more than one error, the form will completely tell you exactly where these errors are. If additional root causes are required, they can simply be added. Until the actual form is completed and you can drill down to ensure that the information is complete. Once added, the form will be successfully updated and can be checked and verified within the event search field. Trevor Smith fell from the room. This can actually then be checked and the form read through and printed out at a later date should it be required. The information is fully recoverable at all times, so that should it be needed, it can be drawn down from the repository at a moment's notice. At Sentinel, we aim to make sure that health and safety is a very successfully simply recorded system, and this will help you to make sure your records are up to date.